ripping up more of the yard, pulling up the old concrete, ready for the final bit of concrete. So hope you enjoy this video, and let's get digging. Ripping all the old concrete up. It's had years and years of abuse. Just coming up ever so easy. Need a breaker really, but we haven't got one of them. Come on. There we go. What's going on there? What? What's he doing? Uh-oh. David's brought Alan and Steve with him. So I got a bit of a dilemma this morning. These 20-ton pallet tines, I need to fit them on my case loading shovel, but because they're not on a quick hitch and they're on pins, I don't know how we're going to do it. And because the metal's so thick, it's going to be very difficult to try and cut it off and make it fit. So whether we could make like a bracket to go in here or something, I think it's quite a lot of work really for what it's worth. We'll go and have a look at the ones on the case and see how easy it's going to be. Remember this old girl loading the muck heap. So the problem with this is these pallet tines here are over 150mm thick. And when you're trying to put stone on a lorry or something, you can't pull the pallet tines out because the wood bearers are only 150mm thick. So I thought, well, cut them off there? But God, that's like 200 and something mil of steel through there to cut them off and try and reshape them. Because you see, it's on a quick hitch just here like this. Just took the pallet tines off. Can't even see a thing out of this window. And I'm going to try and put this big bucket on off the big Lee-Bear loading shovel, because if that fits, which I don't know if it does, that means its big pallet tines will fit off the other one as well. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh, this one's moving over slightly. Oh, look at that. Can't believe that fits. So that means the big pallet tines will fit off the other loading shovel, and I ain't got to do anything. I ain't got any cutting to do, which is good. If I just go and find the other loading shovel, if the pallet tines fit off it, then that's a result. They all look the same. That's a result. Oh God, look at that. That's a result. That bucket fits those pallet tines, which them pallet tines now fit that loading shovel. So I haven't actually got to do any cutting and welding, so that's a result. I'm pretty pleased about that, to be honest. So that means now I can go get on with digging the yard out. I thought I was going to have 2 days having to cut and weld and mess around with them pallet tines, but because we can use those pallet tines on both machines, it now means, because those pallet tines on that machine back there are slightly thinner, you see, so that's why we need them ones, whereas the ones on this one are a bit too thick. Keep pulling the old concrete up and the soil underneath.
I'm glad I found you. The vet's here to do a fertility test on the bull.
All right. We've got the vet here, and he's come with a machine to collect semen from the bull, and then they're going to go in and put it under a microscope and test it, Paul. Mate, he's all set to go and collect the semen from the bull, Paul.
I can't believe you. I ain't got time to worry about fucking tossing up the ball.
What else?
Do you want to come and have a look at it?
No, not bothered.
All right. We're going to go and put it under the microscope and test its fertility pool. Well, then you just have a look at it, see if there's anything.
Yeah. It's as simple as that. Yeah, the light's on.
See if anything's swimming around.
Exactly. If everything goes well, you can see them swimming properly and the amount of them, and they should swim straight as well. Let's see.
Cats come see you now. The nice young man's just done a. You're not listening to me. The nice young man's just done a fertility test on the bull.
How is the bull? What's the
Yeah, he's fine. Yeah, he's fine. Should we get back to concrete? Well, getting ready for concrete. 3-inch fall from there to there. 3-inch fall from there to there, so the water runs off.
So then we can then we have to work out this area here.
Yeah.
What are you videoing me for?
Because you're.
Oh, are you videoing again?
No.
From there, and that was 400 mil higher up there. So that bit down to there, we've got a fall of 400 mil, which is brilliant.
Right. So that's that sorted.
Yeah.
Good. I've left the wife to pull the concrete up. I just want a bit more ducting because I put ducting everywhere, and this bit needs to go from this side of the concrete weighbridge to the other in case we ever need it. So just laying this down, make sure it's long enough, which it is. How much rain have we had? 25. Got one there. Got one here. It says 30. So that's 5 mil difference to the other one. And then this one here, I can't remember how this works. It's a bit, it like fills the middle one up. And he reckons we've had quite a lot, but I can't remember the last time I emptied it. That's the problem. So when I had this trailer built, it's got 10 mil floor and 8 mil sides. And this is one of the reasons why. Because when you put massive lumps of concrete in it, it doesn't bend or go through the floor. Excellent. Getting there now, all nice and level. So we'll be doing this next week, so we'll have a look at it next week a bit more. I'm just putting this Martin Lishman fan back together with a new thing, and look what we've done. Can you see what's happened? We've left the rag inside of it. So do we either start it up and just blow it on, just see if it chops it to bits and blows it up, or do we have to take it all to bits again to get it out? So there we have a few bits that's been happening. I'm yet again coming to check out the fast food joint for the second time this week. I'm actually going really healthy. I'm having a potato and chilli instead of a burger. So it's quite good actually. Anyway, see you all in the next video. Goodbye.